Hi everyone, welcome back to ANR Academy. Today I am here with you to discuss a short technique to solve homogeneous differential equations. And here the technique you have integral 1 by f of 1 comma v minus v into dv equal to log xc. And this is the technique to solve homogeneous differential equations, and I got this from my master Srinivas Reddy sir. I would like to say thanks to Srinivas Reddy sir. He transferred knowledge in mathematics to the thousands of students, and also I can say that I feel to be proud as a student of my master. The technique to find homogeneous differential equation you have here. Let us discuss ordinary method as well as my master's method. We know that general form of homogeneous differential equations, that is, I am going to write general form. Differential equation of the form dy by dx equal to function of x comma y, and here the condition where f x comma y, it is homogeneous function. Homogeneous in two variables x and y. This is general form of differential equation. And working rule, by ordinary method, the differential equation is solvable by substitution y equal to v into x. Here the value of v, function of x, remember. By substitution y equal to vx, dy by dx, that changes to v plus x into dv by dx. After substituting these two values in the given differential equation, it reduces to variable and separable method. There, separating the variables and integrating on both the sides, we get the solution of given differential equation. Let us discuss first what is homogeneous function in x comma y. The definition of homogeneous function, suppose f of kx comma ky, if it is equal to k power n f of x comma y, then we can say that the function f of x comma y is homogeneous. For example, suppose there is a function of x comma y. If you have x cube plus y cube, let us cross check whether it is homogeneous or not. Just in place of x and y, you have to replace kx and ky. Yes, I am going to cross check by writing kx ky. Automatically the right part become x cube k cube and y cube multiplied by k cube. Also, by taking k power 3 common, inside we get x power 3 plus y power 3. This is equal to k power 3 multiplied by x cube plus y cube value, function of x comma y. So f of kx comma ky written as k power something into f of x comma y, so that it is homogeneous function in x comma y. For example, if you have the question solve dy by dx equal to x square plus y square whole divided by 2 times of xy. Suppose this is the question. I will explain the solution by ordinary method first and then we go for Srinivas Reddy sir method. Yes. Let us see. By ordinary method, that is substitution method. There you have to write the value of y equal to Vx. Let us substitute the value of y equal to V into x. That implies the value of dy by dx that become V plus x into dv by dx. Since V function of x, here we have to apply uv rule, differentiation of uv, that is uv dash plus vu dash, x derivative 1 v as it is, x as it is, v derivative dv by dx. Yes, substituting these two in the given differential equation, left hand side you have dy by dx in the question, that become v plus x into dv divided by dx, dv by dx, that is equal to right hand side function of x comma y we have, there substitution y equal to vx, x square as it is, y square written as v square x square. Next denominator part 2 times of x into y value v into x. If you simplify this, v plus x into dv by dx, it is equal to, here in the numerator and denominator the common entry is x square. So neglecting x square, we get 1 plus v square divided by 2v. Here each and every term containing x square, neglecting x square in each term, we get 1 plus v square divided by 2v. In the next step, x into dv by dx, that can be written as 1 plus v square divided by 2v minus this v. Now I am going to simplify this. X into dv by dx equal to 1 plus v square, this is on simplification, denominator part become 2v, numerator become 1 minus v square. Now separate the variables, x variables and v variables. If you separate, then we get 2v divided by 1 minus v square into dv equal to dx divided by x. X and v variables are separated, so now you can apply integration on both the sides. In the right part, integration of 1 by x, that is log x, plus integral constant I can write logarithm c also. Now in the left part, see, if I adjust minus sign here and here, now the function of the form f dash x by f of x. We know that integral f dash x by f of x dx is log modulus f of x. So here minus sign outside, log modulus denominator part, I can write log of mod 1 minus v square power minus 1 equal to log xc. Neglecting logarithm on both the sides, we get 1 minus v square power minus 1, that is 1 by modulus 1 minus v square, that is clearly x into c. Also here from y equal to vx, you can write the value of v as y by x. Finally, you have to replace the value of v with y by x. Substituting y by x here, then we get finally x square divided by x square minus y square, which is equal to x into c. This is the procedure to solve the differential equation which is homogeneous. Now, I am going to solve the same question by Srinivas Reddy sir method. Observe the technique. Sir given the statement, final statement, integral 1 by f of 1 comma v minus v into dv equal to log xc. Reciprocal of function of 1 comma v. In place of x you have to write 1 and in place of y we have to write v and then minus v also in the denominator part. Yes, let us try to solve this by short technique. Yes, integral 1 divided by f of 1 comma v. This is function of x comma y. Replace x with 1, y with v. What we get? 1 plus v square divided by 2 times of v minus v into dv equal to log xc. Within 3 to 4 steps you will get the result. This is integral 2 times of v divided by 1 minus v square into dv equal to log xc. Yes, we got this step. Just by applying short technique, we are here. Just on integrating the function, we get the result. Just adjust minus sign here and then apply the formula integral f dash x by f of x. Model it is f dash x by f of x integration log of denominator part. So minus outside log of modulus denominator part. It is equal to log xc. Now I can write log of 1 minus v square power minus 1 equal to log xc. Neglecting log on both the sides, we get 1 by 1 minus v square equal to just x into c. Replacing the value of v with y by x, we get final answer x square by x square minus y square with modulus equal to x into c. So the same result by ordinary method as well as Srinivas Reddy sir method. So solving objective type of questions when the differential equation is, if it is in homogeneous, then we have to use this result. It will give the solution within a short span. I hope you have understood everything. The students and the teachers, those who are watching my videos, please subscribe the channel and don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you so much.